Hey guys, today I want to show you the usage of the action in Photoshop and play the same action for uh, different files in the same folder. So for start, I'm gonna open one of the files in Photoshop, and first we need to create an action. For example, I wanna change the level on this file, and also I want to change the image size, and at the end save it for web. So for start, I'm gonna click on the create new action. uh, the name of the action you can change it, but I'm gonna keep the action 1, and it shows the red button for the recording. So go to image and adjust the levels and do some level, doesn't matter, just want to show you the changes, and click OK, and it shows the levels that is recorded. And the next one, we're gonna change the image size to, for example, 1500, and save it, so it's make it smaller. And the last thing, I need to save for web. I already made a folder for the new files, but it used my original folder that I have my file here, and it's gonna save it, save the file in the new folder. And the last thing I want to do is closing the file, and click on the don't save to not change all the steps on the original file, and stop the action. So I want to play this action for each file in this folder, and don't want to repeat all the steps in the Photoshop for each one. So for that, we go to File, Automate, and Batch. It already shows the action 1. You can choose another action, but it shows the last action that we did. And we go to choose the folder. So we have original. We're gonna choose the original folder and gonna play this action for all this file that is located in the original folder. Choose and click on OK. So Photoshop gonna go to the folder, original folder, and open each file and play this action and close it. So it's helped to save a lot of time. For example, if you have 100 or 200 files and you're gonna do this steps for each one. So I think it's done that fast. So we're gonna go to new folder, and you see the level is changed for all of them. And I'm gonna open one of the file and show the image size that is changed here, 1500, and that's it. That's easy. This is one of the usage of the action. You can do more changes or more action for files. Hope you like the video and enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you. Bye.